Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to generate unlimited images to video absolutely free of cost. So follow the step by step tutorial. So it is absolutely easy method. So firstly you have to go to one of your browser. In the search bar you have to search Oriate AI. Click enter. You will get this link. So click on this link. Here firstly you have to log in. So I will log in with my Gmail. So as you can see this, I have successfully logged in here. Now I make video. For making video I have to select the video option, click on video option. So now we will generate the video. So for now we have to select the model and which model we want to select. So when 2.7 is okay. Now we will provide the prompt. So for providing the prompt we have to select this. So this is our prompt. Now we will generate the video. So to generate video you have to click on this. It will take a little bit time to generate. So successfully generated the video. Now we will watch this video. So click on this and open the video. So as you can see this is really amazing video and you can generate as much as you can. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.